Chapter 1: Living and Non-Living Things. Learning objectives. Difference between living and non-living things. Our earth is full of wonderful things. There are humans, animals, plants, hills, buildings, rocks, air and water, and so on. Are all these things alike? No, they are not. Because some of these, like humans, animals, and plants, are living, while others are non-living. Air, water, mountains, river, etc. are found naturally, so they are called natural things. Roads, buildings, tables, cars, etc. are made by man, so they are called man-made things. Difference between living and non-living things. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways, such as: living things move. All living things can move from one place to another. Animals and human beings move in search of food, shelter, and to protect themselves from enemies. Animals like leopards, cows, horses, etc. move with the help of their legs. Birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Fish swim with the help of their fins and tails. Snakes crawl from one place to another. Plants do not move from one place to another. Most of them can make their food themselves. But different parts of a plant can show movement, like the leaves of mimosa, touch-me-not plant glows when touched. Non-living things like books, toys, and chairs do not move on their own. They only move when someone moves them. Living things grow. All living things increase in size as time passes. All animals are born small, but as time passes they become bigger. For example, a baby becomes an adult, a puppy becomes a dog, a baby plant grows into a tree. Animals grow only for some time after they are born, whereas plants grow throughout their life. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We cannot hold our breath for a long time, so we breathe air. Like us, other animals also breathe air. Human beings breathe through the nose, fish breathe through the gills, insects like grasshopper and ant breathe through the air holes on their body. Plants breathe through small openings under their leaves. These small openings are called stomata. You cannot see these openings with naked eyes. Non-living things do not breathe. Fact time. Air we breathe in has oxygen gas, while air we breathe out has carbon dioxide gas. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives them energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as food, while plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel. Living things feel and respond to changes around them. They respond to light, touch, heat, and cold. If you touch a hot object, you feel warmth and get hurt. You soon withdraw your hand from it. Like us, plants also feel. A sunflower turns towards the sun. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at sunset. Touch me not plant's leaves get closed when touched. Non-living things do not feel. Living things can reproduce. Living things have ability to reproduce. Humans give birth to the baby boy or baby girl. Animals lay eggs or give birth to their young ones. Some animals like birds, snakes and fish etc. lay eggs. Babies hatch out from eggs after few days. Plants produce seeds from which new plants grow. Thus, the process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Non-living things like computer, table, ball, etc. do not reproduce or give birth. Science Connect. There are some things that remain like non-living things until they get the right conditions to perform life process. For example, seeds remain in dormant state until they get air, water, sunlight and soil to germinate and grow. Keywords: gills, organs through which fish breathe, stomata, small pores on leaves through which plants breathe. At a glance, difference between living and non-living things. Living things, non-living things. Can move, cannot move. Can grow, cannot grow. Can feel, cannot feel. Can breathe, cannot breathe. Need food and water, do not need food and water.